This is the third day of my 5 days off. We are going on a tour to the Scottish Highlands. Exciting! Papunta kami doon sa paghihintayan ng bus para doon sa tour na binook ni Madam Firenze. The story of my coffee. Ang tanging rason kung bakit ako bumili ng 3 pounds na kape para magamit yung toilet. Best coffee ever. Tol, anong unang nasa isip mo pag narinig mo ang kelps?
Uploading.
Hindi ko masabi.
Mali pala yung sinabi ko. Kelpies pala, hindi pala kelps. Protector ng dagat or ng lake. Lake ata. Basta protector.
Castle Dune.
Firenze, nakinig ka? Kailan pinatayo yung castle?
1800s. My God.
Oh my gosh.
Tawa mo yun?
Hindi. Hindi ko naman pinakinggan eh.
Kabulsa lang yung
Sabi, pinakamagaan daw na trabaho yung pagkuha ng tubig sa well. Joke lang.
Magbigay
Hindi
ka.
na daw pinilm yung Outlander at saka yung Monty
Highlander.
Python. Search for the Holy Grail.
Tol.
Ha?
My first snow-capped mountain. I'm so happy.
Ganda.
Tingnan mo kung gaano ako ka-excited. Nakalimutan ko mag-jacket. Sa sobrang excitement ko kanina, nakalimutan kong mag-video dun sa unang ice-capped mountain ko. Ay. $13.26 magla-lunch na kami dito sa Bramble.
Pero
Nagbaon kami ng madaming sandwich. Kaso, hindi namin siya pwedeng kainin dun sa loob ng van. Ay, ng bus. Anong tawag dun sa sinakyan natin? Bus? Coach. Mini coach. Tapos pinagalitan kami kanina kasi nagpipicture kami sa gitna ng daan.
I'll be in Scotland a glory, for me and my true love will never meet again by the bonny banks of Loch Lomond.
Andito na kami sa Loch Lomond. Hindi namin malabas ang aming mga camera, pero buti na lang waterproof ang GoPro. Thanks GoPro. Documentation of walking while raining. Feels like I'm walking in the rain. Unfortunately guys, medyo natakpan ng ating ang lock. Wala ding makita sa lock. Anyway, every experience is different. Sometimes you experience good, sometimes it's better, sometimes it's worse. And today is the worst. I don't know if you can hear the rain and the wind, but it is really strong. Let's cover my camera. Cover everything. My hands are freezing. Mark, no! Well, that's Loch Lomond for you. It's a very, very limited view, unfortunately. The Highland tours is now finished. The weather was against us, but it's still a good experience. And now, we're tagalugin ko na. Nag-book kami ng ghost tour.
18-year-old.
Pero hindi pwedeng mag-film. So, kwento na lang namin kung anong mangyayari mamaya. Pause. Natapos na namin yung ghost tour namin dito. Yung lugar, creepy siya.
Brutal yung story nila dito.
No, brutal. Masyado silang mahilig sa torture, pati bata. Meron silang mga, may mga torture, ano sila, devices sila para sa mga bata. Pag sinabi nilang vault, anong ibig sabihin ng Mark?
Ayon sa aming pagsisiyasat, for around 30 years, the vaults were used to house taverns, workshops, and for cobblers and other tradesmen, as well as storage space for said merchants. Tsaka sabi nga, it's not a place to live, it's a place to die. So very sad. For storage space, and then ultimately naging refuge for the homeless, and then parang doon na din sila namatay.
Doon daw nagtago si Juan Luna eh.
Oh, reporting live from Edinburgh. Mark out.
Anyway, that concludes our second day of stay in Edinburgh. I'm afraid I need to end this video.